I'm Yuto, and today on Sudachi I'm going to show you how to make a quick, easy and delicious chicken Soboro rice bowl. This is one of the most popular recipes on my website, so let's get straight to it. Start by preheating a pan over medium heat. I've already added some cooking oil, so I'm going to go straight in and add 100 grams of ground chicken mince. Fry that until lightly browned. Soboro chicken is essentially the Japanese name for seasoned ground chicken. It's seasoned with Japanese condiments and has a sweet, mildly salty flavour. It's commonly used for rice balls and bentos. This looks good, so now we're going to add 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of sake, half tablespoon of mirin, and a teaspoon of light brown sugar. Give it a mix and continue to heat until all the liquid has absorbed and evaporated. This should only take a minute or so. Okay, this is done, so let's take it off the heat and get our rice. Here I have 600 grams of freshly cooked Japanese short grain white rice, which is enough for about 6 rice balls, depending on the size. Add the Soboro chicken. And use the rice bottle to mix it until evenly distributed. It's important that you don't crush the rice, use a cut and fold motion like this. I use a rice cooker to cook my rice, but if you don't have one, check out my video for how to cook Japanese rice on the stovetop. Okay, this looks good, so now let's shape it. First, I'm going to show you how to shape by hand, so first dip your hands in cold water to stop the rice sticking. Then take a handful of rice and start shaping. Gently press it into a bowl, then press and turn in a folded palm to shape it into a rounded triangle. The pressing and turning motion will help make all of the sides and corners uniform. It's also important to add that you must use Japanese rice for rice balls. The sticky texture will help them fold their shape. Once you're happy with the shape, wrap it with nori and it's ready to eat. If you make rice balls often, I recommend investing in one of these cheap plastic molds. Fill the mold up to the top, making sure not to pack it too tightly. Push the lid down, then take it off. And use the little tab on the back to push the rice ball out. Rice balls made with molds are usually a little smaller than ones shaped by hand, but it's so quick and convenient if you're making a lot. And that's it, easy and delicious chicken Soboro Onigiri. Thank you for watching. If you want to learn more about this recipe or more rice ball recipes, check out my blog, the link is in the description. Have a great day.